Doc, thanks. All new tonight, Perkins Field in Bridgeport should be ready to go back to service for football games as early as this October. Superintendent Brent Ripley says he hopes the Bridgeport Bulldogs can play game number 9 of their season, which is against Shadyside at Bridgeport's home field. And the taxpayers can breathe a sigh of relief because the Board of Education has been setting aside the money for this for several years.
They started setting some money aside from our oil and gas revenue. And so we are going to utilize our revenue from oil and gas to pay for this project. Therefore, we're not going to go to the voters for any money. We've been blessed with oil and gas revenue, and we think it's the best thing to do is to utilize that money that we get towards our students.
The superintendent says the surface of the field will stay the same. They will build new bleachers and a press box high out of the floodplain, and they'll handicap accessible with ramps.